About 10 years ago, the city council of this city designated a 60-odd block area to be redeveloped. Since that time, the agency has proceeded with 2 projects. The first of these encompasses 15 square blocks, where all of the land has been acquired, the occupants relocated, and the property committed for new uses. The agency is currently acquiring property in all of this area and relocating occupants in order to make that available for new use.
My friends, the confidence that the management of Macy's has shown in our great state and in Sacramento is demonstrated by this, the largest store ever opened in the Sacramento Valley. And as governor of this state, I think you should know that 113 years ago, Macy's opened a store in Marysville. And now 113 years later, they come back to this great Sacramento Valley to again share with us the prosperity of our state in this particular area. I wish them all the luck in the world. I hope that my wife will purchase things here, because if they do, their economic future is secured. Thank you very, very much.
The freeway, of course, where the route has been adopted, will absorb a lot of this property. The historic zone will take up all of this land in here.
Looking east toward Sacramento's old historic West End, this is probably the most controversial area in the whole freeway problem because of the historical buildings involved. And here's our tower bridge below us. You see the land that will be affected if the routings that were proposed today by the State Highway Commission are adopted in the final end. You see Cal Packing, some of the industry below us.
I think it's a bad idea, because Sacramento only has a few historic places. I think we should preserve them. I think the freeway should go up through Yolo County on the other side of the river and come out about, just this side of Roseville.
I think it's fine, because I think it's the state's responsibility for determining freeway routes, and not a particular newspaper in a particular city who might be adversely affected.
I think it's a good idea, because I think it benefits the city, and I think that's what we need. We need to progress. As I said, I come from Canada, and we have freeways there, and they get rid of a lot of the traffic, and traffic here is so congested you can't get anywhere.
This freeway, of course, will have another interchange at this point. This is 29th Street, where you see the construction on the 29th Street freeway, or the future route of 99E. It's well along. You see Broadway, the main arterial here below us, and the overpass of 29th and Broadway. A shot looking south, all part of the progress and construction in getting traffic moved through and around this city.
The Chinese have expressed their interest in developing a new center up here along I and J Street. The state of California wants to buy all of this 8 square blocks, and with the Lincoln School and the Crocker Art Gallery remaining, much of the land in the last project area is already committed for new use.